Hello and welcome to SmartER Quickie, a subsidiary of the SmartER channel for everything good and bad in the world of smart cars. So today this was a viewer request. They were having difficulties removing the seatbelt out of the slot and they wanted to do so they could make as much use as they could of the free room. So we're going to remove this seatbelt out of its guide. So this is what happens. Excuse all the hair. As you guys may or may not know if you're regulars, I've got a Husky and this is our travelling vehicle. We don't get the other cars dirty. So here we are. There's the offending article. There's the guide. There's the seatbelt. So basically, make sure the seat's back, but now give yourself some slack, about 2-3 inches. You pull the seatbelt towards you, and then the leading edge, then you zigzag through the notch in the top of the guide, just like this. So you zigzag backwards while pulling up, back and forward while pulling up, and it comes out. Same again. You go do it again. So again, make sure the seat's back. Give yourself 2-3 inches of slack. Pull the seatbelt towards you. Then the leading edge, you just zigzag back and forth up through the slot in the guide, and out it comes. So in reverse, pretty much the same thing. Lay it over the top so it's nice and flat, so we know when it's in the actual guide it's going to retract and slide and move. So there's your slack. Same again, give yourself some slack, insert it through the actual notch, zigzagging all the way back and forth, and there you are, done. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Loads of hints and tips already in existence, and I'm taking requests all the time. Here we go. So there's the seat down. No seatbelt, nice and easy.